Hello everyone, welcome to this English learning video. Today we will learn how to have a conversation in a clothing shop. You will hear a salesman and a customer talking about clothes, prices and shopping. Listen carefully and practice speaking with us. Let's begin the conversation now. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Urban Style Clothing. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. Just looking around for some new clothes.
That's great to hear. Is there anything specific you're interested in today? Are you looking for something casual, formal, or maybe sportswear?
Mostly casual, something comfortable I can wear when I go out with friends or family.
Wonderful. Are you thinking more about shirts and jeans or t-shirts and shorts or maybe a casual jacket to go with them?
I think I'll start with a shirt. Maybe a nice casual shirt that's easy to wear in this warm weather.
Of course, right this way, please. We have our latest collection of casual shirts over here. These are all from our new summer line, made with breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. They're perfect for hot days.
That sounds nice. Oh, I like this one here. What's this fabric?
This one is 100% pure cotton. It's soft, breathable, and absorbs moisture well. It keeps you cool throughout the day. This style is called an Oxford casual shirt, great for day outs and casual dinners.
Do you have this style in different colors?
Yes, we do. This style comes in navy blue, sky blue, olive green, maroon, and light grey. Let me show you all the colour options.
I think I like the navy blue. Do you have it in medium size?
Definitely. Let me check for you. Yes, here's the medium. Would you like to try it on to make sure it fits perfectly?
Sure. Where is the fitting room?
The fitting rooms are just to the right, past the jacket section. I'll be right here if you need a different size. How's the fit?
It fits nicely, but maybe it feels a little tight around the shoulders.
That happens sometimes. Would you like to try the large size to compare the fit? It's always better to feel comfortable in casual wear.
Yes, good idea.
Here's the large in navy blue. If you'd like, you could also try a lighter colour to see which one looks better on you.
Okay, let me try the large one first. Yes, this is much better. The shoulders feel more relaxed.
Excellent. Comfort is key. And honestly, navy blue looks great on you. It's a colour that never goes out of style.
Thank you. I'll take this shirt.
Wonderful choice. Would you like to pair it with some jeans? We just got a new stock of slim fit and regular fit jeans.
Sure. I was actually planning to buy a pair of jeans too.
Perfect timing. Come with me to the denim section. Are you more into slim fit jeans or do you prefer something looser like regular or relaxed fit?
I usually wear slim fit.
Good choice. Slim fit jeans give a nice modern look. Here we have slim fit jeans in dark blue, light blue, black and even grey.
I usually wear dark blue or black.
Great! This dark blue pair is our bestseller. It's made of stretchable denim, so it's comfortable even if you wear it all day. And the black one gives a sleek look for evenings out.
What's the price range?
They are $55 each, but today we have a special offer: buy 2 jeans, get 30% off on the second pair.
Let me try the dark blue first. Do you have size 32 waist?
Absolutely. Here's a 32 waist, slim fit, dark blue. And if you'd like, I can grab the black one too, just so you can compare.
Sure, why not? Both fit really well. The dark blue is perfect for casual days, and the black one looks a bit more dressy.
Exactly. Many of our customers buy both because they suit different occasions. If you take both today, you'll save around $15 because of the offer.
Okay, I'll take both jeans.
Excellent. Now that we have the shirt and the jeans sorted, would you like to check out some casual jackets? They go great with this look.
Actually, yes. I was thinking of getting a light jacket for the evenings.
Let's take a look here. We have bomber jackets, denim jackets, and light zip-up hoodies. This bomber jacket is lightweight but stylish. It has a soft inner lining and a water-resistant outer layer, perfect for spring and fall.
I like this one in black. Do you have medium?
Here's a medium in black and also in olive green if you want a different vibe.
I'll try the black one first. This fits really well, comfortable and stylish.
It looks great on you. It really completes the whole look.
I'll take the black jacket.
Perfect. So you have a navy blue shirt, dark blue and black jeans, and a black bomber jacket. Would you like to see some shoes or maybe a belt to match your outfit?
I do need a belt actually. Something simple, maybe black or brown.
Sure, right over here. This black leather belt is very durable and goes with both jeans and formal pants. The brown one is great if you want a lighter, casual look.
I think the black belt will go with everything I have.
Good choice. It's only $20 and today we have a buy one get one half price deal on belts.
I think I'll just take the one for now.
No problem. Would you like to sign up for our loyalty program? It's free and you earn points for every purchase, which you can use for discounts later.
Sounds good. What do I need to do?
Just fill in your name, phone number and email. You'll get 50 bonus points today.
Sure. My name is Alex Smith. Phone is 555-1234 and email is alexsmith@email.com.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I've added your points. You'll also get updates on future sales and exclusive offers.
Nice.
Before we head to the checkout, would you like to check our sunglasses? They're on a 20% discount today.
Maybe just a quick look.
Of course, here we have aviators, wayfarers and round frames. This pair looks pretty sharp and goes well with your face shape.
I like these black wayfarers.
Great choice. Shall I add them to your bill?
Sure, why not?